Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission na kabanta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itho da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kum shibanta ban Kyntiew yakin Nongrep ka than chatay lammi ngi ka North East India freshwater aquaculture kala pentep bakan Pynlong ka seminar ka ba Sngi ha Guwahati Assam. Haba pentep ya kanesya kilat patay kubor ha ka polai trek yong arajar arpunrio ha Shillong Press Club u Anup Sharma ulaong bakan ni ka seminar kan long ha ka khat bat khat lai trek jeliu arajar arpunrio ha ka bakin Nongrep jong ka than kin yo ban ya kendo markman bat ki company bahe jongari India ban penmi ya ki mar ki mata jongki. Nalor kata ulaong bakan dai kasien ke bening kong ban Pynlong ya kum kene ke seminar ha ka than chatay lammi ngi bat ban ben rap bokmi lanti bokom basan hajar tam ki Nongrep nalor ki Nongseng kam na jong kin wan ban ya banta ha ka te ke seminar.
So although Assam produces lot of fish, but still Assam and the entire Northeast India, all the northeastern states, we import lot of crores of rupees every year. We are pumping out our money to other states for importing of our demand, our fish consumption. So at the same time, as my colleague rightly said, there is huge difference between our northeastern fish production capacity per hectare and at the national level. So that's why we are going to organize this event. This is called Aqua Expo, first of its kind in Northeast. This is the first event in entire Northeast where we are expecting around 5,000 fish farmers from all the northeastern states. They will come to a platform. In this Aqua Expo, it will be held in the month of June 12th and 13th at Maniram Trade Center, Guwahati. And we are expecting all the fish farmers, particularly the entrepreneurs, persons who are engaged in this fishery industry, they will come to a platform. In this platform, there will be bigger company like feed manufacturing company, medicine companies, and equipment manufacturing companies. They will also exhibit their products. Farmers can directly see those products and they can understand where the industry at this position. So, and at the same time there will be seminar, there will be technical sessions, and our farmer can get the benefit. At the same time there will be lot of discussion by the involvement of the renowned fish farmers of the country who will be sharing their success story for our fish farmers of the northeastern region.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlo ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta ka Sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya